Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook party wings in an air fryer. First, gather about 2 pounds of party wings and pat them thoroughly dry. This is essential for achieving crispiness. Next, toss them with a tablespoon of olive oil and your preferred seasoning blend. Finally, preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes to ensure it's ready for cooking. Let's get started. Now, carefully place your seasoned wings into the preheated air fryer basket. Remember to arrange them in a single layer, ensuring no overcrowding, which allows the hot air to circulate properly. Cook these wings at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for an initial 20 minutes. Be sure to flip them over or shake the basket vigorously after about 10 minutes to promote even cooking and browning on all sides. This step builds the foundation for crispy wings. To achieve that perfect, extra crispy skin, increase your air fryer's temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue cooking the wings for an additional 5 to 6 minutes at this higher heat. This final blast helps render any remaining fat and crisps up the skin beautifully. Always use a meat thermometer to confirm the internal temperature reaches a safe 165 degrees Fahrenheit before serving. This ensures they are perfectly cooked and safe to enjoy. Once your party wings are golden brown and perfectly crispy, carefully remove them from the air fryer basket. If you enjoy saucy wings, now is the ideal time to toss them in your favorite buffalo, barbecue, or garlic parmesan sauce. Serve these delicious, hot wings immediately. They pair wonderfully with classic dipping sauces like ranch or blue cheese. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, homemade air fryer party wings with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.